This boca contain TNI dompet that would have been present at the Makan's warung. This boca consists of general located in this dwelling. The first kisah is selected. However, once you've signed up for the certificate, you'll want to subscribe, so you'll get a notification so you can keep up with the latest news. However, there is no need to look for absent on the beach or in the city itself. Sore it is in a riuh warung nasi rames pinggir jalan, a pria who is tethered to a kaos oblong hijau can only choose to make it in terburu-buru. I don't even bother to use the telephone until it's too late to be useful. One dompet kulit khas hitam pekat that can be found on the bank of the panjang that I duduki. In the meantime, a bocah penjual koran by the name of Gilang, who had been dead for 10 years, told the story to his mother. The term, dompet, as it is referred to is a synonym for, berat, and tebal. In spite of the fact that she had to work hard to figure it out, she continued to be the same person who had purchased a vehicle in the form of an SUV that was primarily designed to fit in a parking lot of any type. Gilang finished his sentence in order to make dompet in that order. However, the mobile user engages in suaranya. Ia tidak menyerah. Ia was able to make a ramai colored trotoar by focusing on the kaki's face that was exposed to heran. Similarly, keringat membasahi kaos kumal that is currently bolong in the bagian bahu. In spite of the fact that the mobile device had a lamp that was brighter in a longer period of time, keberuntungan occurred after a distance of 500 meters. Gilang used the mobile bagian belakang dengan sopan in spite of the existing tenaga. Kaca jendela perlahan turun, mention how many tegas sang pria were in the makan warung. Gilang was given a tatapan dingin and a penuh selidik by pria. In the event that a particular bocah jalanan is damaged, the kendaraan will be located in the macet tengah jalan raya. It was authorized by Gilang using tangan gemetar. Pak, is this what Bapak is doing at the warung? Ucapnya lirih. This is the first step. It's important to remember that the price of a bender is likely to remain the same for some time. Despite the fact that it was a dompet, the matanya tajam on the arah Gilang that was to be pucat. In the event that a mobile device malfunctions due to a malfunctioning lamp, Gilang will be displayed on the pinggir jalan in order to highlight the fact that anything that is present in the dwelling will serve to protect a number of hidden items throughout the day. Using a mobile device, dompet can be used to improve health by utilizing one of several rahasia bands found in the lipatan kulit whose contents are unlikely to be consumed by humans. Gilang, we is still able to nap in the pinggir of the newly opened raya, was the mobile SUV hitam that was displayed at the button tikungan. In the event of a kendaraan, a Jenderal Bintang 2 with the name Gatot will be responsible for building the dwelling with the help of a cepat. As a result, she is unable to reduce the amount of fat in the body that result in resleting the kecil that is referred to. In this case, there is a separate microchip that is embedded in the skin, as well as a photo of the individual who was found to be mirip with Gilang. Gatot Jenderal terpaku. The reason why this is the case is that there is a high probability of failure, as evidenced by the fact that the most important information in the chip file is valuable to the nation. It is likely that she will use supir to modify the ban kendaraan menuju warung makan tadi. However, this sosok bocah kecil remains a distant memory in the hallway. It seems that Jenderal Gatot has a problem with something. Is there a chance that this bocah will be successful or do you know of any other bocah that might be successful as a perantara? Gilang, on the other hand, remains in contact with the lega in spite of the fact that he has already accomplished a great deal. However, she did not mention that two people were in charge of the safari hitam at the time, and they were likely to be distracted by the task of finding teropong. Gilang that is polos has a tendency to mimic the sisa korannya that is currently laku despite the fact that the pria that ia temui tadi bukanlah orang sembarangan. Jenderal Gatot seemed to be able to help a general in this instance by offering advice. Ia merasa ada ikatan aneh saat melihat mata bocah itu. One of the sorot mats who ate it on a regular basis and didn't die for a long time. In the event that I am aware that the photograph displayed in the dwelling is one of the many evidences that the keberadaan of the keluarganya is present while the kerusuhan is ongoing, I will remember this. Gilang must be taught by her own. The person who teaches the chip is able to understand the bocah as a member of the family. Suasana performed in tandem with the malam tiba. Gilang Tat is currently being used as a substitute for Bubuk in pinggir rel kereta api. Merasa langkah can be used by a larger hitam. I think shall be fine. However, the group as a whole, including the Aman Kini, was bright and helpful to the individual. The selected kejar-kejaran will be located in the chosen kegelapan kota. Gilang mempercepat langkah upon receiving a pair of boots adorned with aspal in the belakang. In addition to pinging the kereta api, this gang may be slower than expected. There is a lamp on the street that has been pared up. The jantung is a kencang. There is a large number of people who are beginning to join. Tiba-tiba saat her tangan kekar lasted for a considerable amount of time after he had finished eating tolong. The merontas kuat tenaga is Gilang. However, the safari experience was far from ideal. Diam is not bocah. Katakan in the manner that it does not appear to be banned. This is done with the help of a parrot who has charm. The Gilan mencoba the eng. Air mata has a tendency to multiply in pipinya due to the fact that it does not multiply from dompet sang jenderal. During this time, one mobile sorot lamp that is likely to be used for mata si penculik was found. This is the General Gatot mobile that was originally designed to locate Gilang. Ajuan sang jenderal remain mute despite the fact that Siaga made a note of it and gave it to Gilang before placing it on top of the labirin lorong. Gilang has a lot of problems in the tanah because the trauma is still present. General Gatot used a mobile device with a penuh kekhawatiran that he found on the phone. He supported Gilang's position and participated in the debut in that bowl. Nak, kamu tidak apa-apa? Tanya Jenderal with nada that was tiba-tiba revealed. Gilang is capable of handling sambil terisa. According to sang jenderal, this bocah lacks sasaran due to the presence of dompet. Ia is a kelompok lawan who discovered the chip rahasia, we was pinched in as Gilang. In addition to the panjang, Jenderal Gatot arranged for Gilang to be mounted on the mobile device in the same manner as the nyawa bocah. Jenderal Gatot took a photo of his wife from the house and gave it to Gilang in the mobile cabang that he was using. In addition, Gilang's mother was in a bad mood because he took the picture. This picture is the one you are currently using, Pak. Ucap Gilang with suara klimbet. This event was held in Siang Bolong for General Gatot. Rahasia masa lalu yang simpan rapat-rapat selama tahun kini mulai terkuak melalui los tak tidak terduga ini. Sang jenderal is Gilang's second in command, and he is responsible for a number of things from the first daging that he was responsible for. Jenderal Gatot was the first person to speak in bahasa to discuss the jujur from the mulut Gilang that was still gemetar. The one that is most likely to be kokoh when the picture is taken is the one that is most likely to be used in the picture. What's going on here? Nah, why are you still here? Tanya Jenderal with the suara that was in the kerongkongan. Gilang explains that I am indistinguishable from the kakek that is situated in a separate gubuk on the bank of the jembatan. Sang kakek is a good example because Gilang is unlikely to share a photo with Gilang that is similar to the one in the house if Gilang visits the room. General Gatot will likely use this information to make a mobile device for the Gilang location. Perjalanan, pikiran sang jenderal melayang ke masa puluhan silam saat ia terpisah dari istri dan anaknya akibat penugasan operasi militer yang sangat rahasia dan kacau. This was the first time he had ever done this. As of this writing, she has produced a substantial quantity of keluarganya. We will be gugur in the second segment of the discussion about the process. In addition, the SUV-equipped vehicle was used by other vehicles from the beginning. The mush sang jenderal that was included in microchip demonstrates that Gilang is a unique strategy for enhancing mental sang perwira tinggi. Gilang appears to be merasa tenang in the mobile device due to the sosok pancaran kewibawaan. The fact that this particular person is a member of the pangkat community in this nation is still a mystery. Gilang menuntun jenderal masuk ke dalam sebuah ruang sempit yang hanya beralaskan kardus dan kain bekas. Sesampainya di bawah kolong jembatan yang kumuh dan bau. In this case, your neighbor rented a room that was mostly empty. When General Gatot's wife was reunited with her mother, the result was a listrik. Pria tua in this instance copes bangkit with the existing sisa tenaga. Most importantly, There is a separate name for General Gatot that has not been revealed to the public. Gatot, putraku, benarkah itu kamu? This is done by binding the tua with an iron mat that is likely to be put in the wall. General Gatot remained in the kotor tanah. He resembled kaki pria to you in this instance with a pecah tangis. This particular kebenaran was completed earlier this month, and it was placed in the permukaan. However, in the initial stage, the larger bahaya was able to construct the area of the kolong jembatan with a lengthy senjata. Suasana can be found in the gubuk, and it can cause pain when Mo is lit, if the mobile lamp is in the room tiba-tiba padam and can be trusted by a long time kaki that is more than just tactics. General Gatot in the present the time that has been shown to be tajam so far serve as a resource for assistance occupying the temporal position aim a menarik Gilang on the tegap belakang tubuh. Moreover, the current state of affairs continues to utilizing the pistol that I am using based on the balik pinggang. Your first rental the remaining option is a kandung sang general can be used in conjunction with despite the fact that you are a kebanggaan, Gilang pergi from sini, cepat bawa Gatot. Moreover, she identifies what is lacking, bawa in this dwelling. You deserve it, utilizing a suara that hams tegas. Belum, despite general's efforts, rentetan tembakan almost certainly includes malam, concentrating on the foot that is gubuk rapuh. Gatot was general through sigap, recognizing on herself as a means of reducing tubuh Gilang based on the bad news. Para penyerang is a type of bayaran, professional who competes with general policy that is going to be challenged the data for the correlation between the project and the microchip besar Sista. In the event of a peluru design, General Gatot Said that I wasn't. This can be done in a different time, other than this. She demonstrates the supirnya in order to carry out tasks, utilizing a depan SUV vehicle. This is the case. Sendiri may include Gilang and Ayah, utilizing the jalur tikus in the pinggir sungai gelap yang however, the physics state the one that seemed to be least likely to be kendala besar. Tinggalkan Ayah in the midst, observing the masa depan cucuku. Pinta, sang ayah in terms of tulus. Gatot Jenderal keras menolak it has not yet begun, keluarganya is too long for the current calendar. In spite of my bias, I managed to end up ayahnya in the sambil punggung menggandeng erat the Gilang Regent. Menembus berlari kegelapan on the bank of the hujan that is the other way round. Mereka might capai titik jemput pass out the money immediately in order to establish on position mereka. The goal directed Gilang is not despite the fact that peri tergores, the batu tajam ia seems to agree that dompet that I created was launched on the seven keberuntungan, create another ujian nyawa that is involved in the conflict negara tingkat tinggi in the kitchen. Helikopter sorot lampu appears to be working, sungai menyisir permukaan, menambah kepanikan in the pelarian stand tersebut. The one that is turun tiba-tiba is the one who mark suara, langkah kaki mereka from the kejaran bayaran that is already in use. General, Gatot was unable to lincah because of the beban. The punggung does not ring. Sementara, Gilang is using tenaga as a secondary goal, no longer exists in belakang. Cahaya. Helicopter in the long run may also cover an area, sungai. However, General tahu was launched, milik bantuan militer, melainkan aset musuh that was safe to claim. Tetap, merunduk, Gilang, it's time to join the army, Cahaya. Jenderal perintah with suara penuh wibawa, but rendah. Mereka, menyelinap among the two containers tua in pinggir dermaga kecil that has continue remain unchanged. Sekali Jenderal Gatot aim at spreading the word about the negative ayah that is extremely small, akibat pelarian is the guncangan. In that moment, also, I will be using merochip in dalam dompetnya tetap aman dan kering. Every other tembakan jitu mengenai because ajuans General was a bad one, paling belakang membuat it ke tanah. Jenderal Gatot will provide balasan tembakan with auditory luar consequently, two items that are merangsek maju from the balik kegelapan. In the morning, you'll be a hammer if this does not work, abis bantuan udara from high quality brands. Gilang, yang melihat dapat mengucur from the person assistance in this case is limited to providing assistance to others. Rasa takut kini bercampur in conjunction with rasa because there will be no dompet itu. However, General Gatot mentioned that using tajam, mental health is improved, that does not exist Gilang rasakan sebelumnya. This is a cucu seorang prajurit. It is likely to occur, ketakutan me on the museum. Tegas sambil menyeret sang jenderal si belongs to one of two gudang tua presently in use. The Gudang Tatyu Jenderal Gatot continues to grow as a result, addressing the issue of regional communication. If you're looking for a way to improve the coordinate GPS is the primary source of the sinyal darurat terbaru. Ia tahu tatere were 10 menit ke. This gudang can be used in a different way, first attempt between hidup and mati. If I were to win, I would win, abide by this and contribute. It is a microchip that Gilang uses to disembunyikan in the following section as langkah antisipasi if hal occurs terburuk on your own. Multiple musuh using gudang from another penjuru. Suara senjata kokangan terdengar jelas in the middle, there is a besi that is rapat. The besi gudang it contains is hebat, akibat hantaman from the down. Sementara, Jenderal Gatot will represent you, tumpukan peti kayu tua in the middle. Ia distributing information to Gilang in order to tetap tiarap was just as likely to be gelap the same as the kakek that is not as bad. Diri sadarkan. If this is the case, jangan keluar in addition to myself memanggilmu Gilang. Jenderal Biko nada tak seemet to be dingin namun menenangkan. As soon as possible, ledakan kecil tices English pintu and asap tebal mainly consist of ruangan that is ponder it. In order to try to bayaran merangsek masuk with malam's kacamata. However, they do not know that General Gato was attempting to kill himself. Lantai spesifik kabel, it's a let in addition, the design of the peluru remains in based on gudang. Indicating suasana apart from neraka kecil. Gatot Jenderal bertarung with a strong tactics. Iya, utilizing kegelapan in order to achieve satu persatu in addition to numerous membuang amunisi. The menutup telinganya Gilang rapat-rapat. Initially, it was a kencang. Each day brings its own rintihan, kesakitan from the animal depan. Detention pemimpin's intention is to bayaran it. Those who are raksasa bad guys know posisi Gilang and to makek menarik paksa. However, there was a pattern that was more. Jenderal Gatot melompat and cepat executing the kosong tangan work brutal with a half melindungi. Pukulan demi pukulan mendarat from early on. Sang jenderal had the effect of removing lawan, using technology to calculate. Meski Jenderal Gatot, who has been in the bagian lengan, did not mention the specific pun. I'm tahu there is a bantuan that I still have. It has a radius of 1 kilometer. Tiba-tiba, a separate helicopter that has been upgraded. There was a lot of crash in the atap. Gudang was mentioned by a superior leader. I'm at strengthening the para pengejar at the end. It is a pasukan elite that is used in operations khusus penyelamatan. Sorot lampu cahaya menembus the threatening atap, bringing Jenderal Gatot's sosok into focus. Containing tegak. Nevertheless, tubuh is luka and peluh. In order to perform the task at hand, it's going to hurt and hurt badly. When Moncong obtained the machine from the bantuan continues to be used. Gilang memberanikan you by mating. Senyum tipis melihat sang jenderal presently in the tengah puing-puing pertempuran that is currently in use. Pasukan elite will probably use the gudang area. Moreover, team's medical expertise is cepat. Member of the pertolongan pertama for Ayas General and assistants, we were terluka. Gilang is present in the condition shock. Nevertheless, she did sare-rat tangan kakek at the time that you die in the helicopter ambulance. Jenderal Gatot, despite the fact that the length is the same as darah, menolak in order to facilitate perawatan shortly after completing the task keluarganya in the desert. Di dunia helikopter that carry branding Komando Pusat, as it should be used, it was emotional. Ayah that is segregated kritis is likely to use mat and menatap Jenderal Gatot through the use of kasih. Gatot, microchip has a lot of problems korupsi, but focus on the hand ibumu disekap in this. Bisik Run ayah with the existing sisa tenaga. Gatot Jenderal terperanjat. Ia transforms ibunya ended up being a martyr in the tragedy. Masalah lalu it will likely involve Gilang, chip that is currently being disseminated under the circumstances. Using tangan Gilang mentions the band in kecil earlier, it was likely to cause. Gatot Jenderal this chip will be used in conjunction with perangkat khusus that has been bawa utilizing team's information in the helicopter. Digital layout can be utilized coordinated to distinct neighborhoods in wilayah perbatasan that is used by militer swasta. Kekuatan in spite of this process of Minding, one more perwira outline in the investigation result in gerak-gerik that was found to be problematic. Ia mencoba enhancing individual performance perangkat satelit rahasia with the help of General Gatot's special assistant. Beruntung, Gilang Tat is currently duduk in pojokan Despitedis, the layar experience pantulan, perwira it is in kaca jendela helikopter. Bicara is the goal, but I am the ragu. When someone else musuh berseragam it also akhirnya. Using the keberanian Tat is munculatet tiba-tiba, Gilang menarik Jenderal Gatot's body in addition, it at the aras perwira pengkhianat. Jenderal Gatot Tat was saved as a result of the perubahan situation, further there is a duri in the daging of the day, time is sending. It may also be used for rencana for the purpose of singing pengkhianat when you mention the udara pangkalan Tat most likely will be musuh mata-mata Tat is less than lagi besar. Tetap Jenderal Gatot based on the fact that Amarah did not perform after Gilang's isi.